This video explains how to use the main features of Doodlingo. Doodlingo is the world's first visual and interactive dictionary for advanced words. To begin with, choose the language of the web app by clicking on the respective country flags. The default is English. Clicking on the top Doodlingo will take you to a recommended doodle. Here, interact with the doodle to understand the word's meaning by yourself. You may switch the theme between light and dark using the theme button. Doodlingo provides an easy-to-follow definition that you can view by clicking the up arrow. You can use the audio icon for pronunciation.
Constraint.
Click the flag icon for translations in different languages.
Contrainte.
바다, 강제,制約,
Vincolo.
Use the right arrow to go to the quiz section next. Here, hold or slide an option to answer. You need to be logged in, since the app needs to save your answers. Continue with the quiz after logging in. Sliding the correct answer will highlight the button for the next question. Answering the last question will highlight the Submit button. Submit your quiz score to go to the comments section. Here, you may look at the featured sentences submitted by other users. Use mic or keyboard to submit your sentence, which must contain the word. You may choose an accent when using the mic. Click the plus icon to submit your sentence. Here, check your inputs and submit them. You may replay the quiz or edit your sentence by going back. You can also like or share the doodle. On submit, you get the option for other doodles. When you become a premium user, you get options for more doodles. Use the top left arrow to go to pages like Contact, Home, or to your scoreboard. Here you can check your total points and other stats. Doodlingo is a progressive web app and can be installed on both mobile and desktop. Click on the three dots button in your browser, and it will show you the option to install Doodlingo. Since I have already installed, it shows the option to uninstall. Doodlingo believes in learn once, remember forever, and it tries to achieve it through its unique approach of interactive doodles and integrated learning. See you at www.doodlingo.com.